Hello my paper crafting family, how are you? Welcome to Paper and Joy for your next card craft. Today we're going to make this card, a birthday card suited a bit more for boys, men in your family, dads, uncles, grandpas, boyfriends, male friends, whatever. So we've got the greens and the sort of wood grain patterns there. Or if you're like my mother and love the colour green and love natural elements like wood, then you could give it to girls as well. But this one is sort of done as a boy's card. And on the inside we've got the wood grain, a bit of wood grain detail as well. And it's a nice easy one this time. So here we go. This is what you get in your kits. Your base card, your decorating pieces. So you've got 3 of the wood grains. The long piece goes on the front and the 2 smaller pieces go in the middle. So just separate those out, the shorter pieces for the center. And you need your trusty glue stick. So let's get crafting. Now what you can do, I'm probably going to just eyeball these in terms of putting them on. It's about 1/2 centimetre in from the edge and the top. So if you like, just to help you out, you can grab a ruler and a pencil and just make a little mark. So just a tiny little pencil mark to help you out, just to line that up. And you can then put your ruler along that to help you. So see how you go, what you feel comfortable with. Sometimes I like it, it's easy to see sort of the page in full rather than to have something on the side, but yeah, depends what you like and what makes it easier for you. I think because I've been doing it for a while now, I can get some of the sizing right, and I'll go a bit by eye. So nice bit of glue on there. And as we said, one of the tricks then is if you've got your little mark, just cover it with your paper. So then you don't have to spend time rubbing it out. So let me get that nice and straight. Rubbing it out later. So that's a little trick. Okay, and you can place your pieces in any sort of pattern that you like over the card. I've done a 3 and a 2 with a little, one of the pieces is a bit thinner, so however you like, have a play around with placement, what you think looks good, have some fun with it. All right, next piece is the thin wood grain piece, so I'll pop it on. Just lining it up. There we go. Good thing about stick glue is it lets you move things around for a few seconds just to get it right. So glue to the edges so that it all sticks down nicely. We've got like a sort of a, what do they call it, tree rings pattern there. Just fits in with the design. Natural elements. And then a greeny wood grain piece there. Glued. Now this one, actually, yep. I'm gonna go to this one first. Sorry, go your stripy one first, because then you can line it up in the bottom corner. That makes it a bit easier. Sorry about that. It's easier if you've got 2 edges, the bottom and the side edge, to line up. You can fit it in, and you're not guessing the top piece. Okay, now we can put this one in. Oops. There we go. Okay, push them down. Make sure your corners are all down nicely. And there, a nice easy one today. So it still looks really nice with the different colours and textures and shapes and patterns on the design. So now inside, you grab your other two little pieces, and we're going to go top left corner, bottom right corner, just to frame your writing in the card there. So again, grab your glue stick and get gluing. There we go. So those cards don't need to be complicated. They can still look great with just some simple things like this. All right, last one on. There we go. These ones I think no, that's all right. I'm going to stay a little bit further in, but no, they look nice there. There we go. Our card is done. So a nice masculine card this month for a birthday occasion. There we go. Enjoy. Happy crafting. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.